What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I have a very special video because now I have the camera comparison of two of my favorite smartphone devices. We have the iPhone 11 Pro Max and also the Huawei P40 Pro. Now these two cameras are like they're top tier. I brought it down to Toronto. I took some shots. It was in the daylight. When I got back home, I took some night shots as well. Now I know the P40 is 50 megapixels, right? 50 megapixels. The iPhone 11 Pro Max is only 12 megapixels, but don't let that think that the iPhone is a trash camera or anything like that. They both look good. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you guys the two devices, also the P40 pictures. You'll see Huawei P40 in the bottom left hand corner. I know that's a feature that I could turn on, so I turned it on like halfway throughout the shots. I like the Huawei. It looks good. Sometimes it kind of over processed the picture, make it look too sharper than it would. The iPhone tends to look natural, but I'm just gonna let you guys be the judge. So leave the comments down below what you think looks better. Is it the P40 Pro or the iPhone 11 Pro Max? Without any further ado, let's jump into the video. What's up, guys? Now these are the cameras. Two of them were recorded on 4K 60. Let me know which one looks best down below in the comments. Now the pictures are where the P40 shine the most, but it still does a great job with the videos as well. So yeah, both are recording audio as well, so I'm gonna switch between the audio, so let me know which one you think sounds best with the audio as well. But as I said before, in this review I mainly focused on the picture quality because I think that's what people would be really interested in the most, but I decided to get some video footage for you guys as well. So yeah, let me know what you think. Ooh, lift it up. This is what we're getting from the back cameras. Pretty nice stuff right here, man. Bringing in closer, further, while running. Let me know which one the image stabilization is best for. It manages the sunlight. Nice. Clouds look good. Amazing cameras.
Taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire.
recording on 4K 60. Alright, walk. No, I go way out, brother. Yard free, yard free. Both recording on 4K 60. Alright, walk. No, I go way out, brother. Yard free, yard free. Front camera test. And the files.
You're good, you're good. Not gonna get run over.
Yo. Alright. Front camera test. Files.
You're good, you're good. Not gonna get run over.